Last time we assembled a lion. Today we are assembling a giraffe. An assembly instruction shows these are the boards. Remove the plug-in. First assemble the grassland ground, just like the lions. Plant a tree. Tropical plants under the tree. A huge rock. The English word for giraffe. Next, let's start assembling the giraffe. These are its skeletons. The giraffe's body. This is the giraffe's neck. Attach the giraffe's front limbs. Attach its hind limbs. Insert the tail. Attach the giraffe's head. Insert the antlers and ears. And the mane on the back. The giraffe is assembled. Put it on the grassland. Alright, the sharing video of these two 3D puzzles is over. See you next time. Bye bye.